This video is brought to you by Factory Direct Trains. Visit factorydirecttrains.com and check out their wide selection of model railroading products and supplies. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and guess what? It's time for Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're eligible for the 5,000 subscriber contest sponsored by Factory Direct Trains. I'm giving away a Broadway Limited in-scale T1 with DCC and Paragon 3 sound, and I'm also giving away an HO scale DCC ready Athearn GE-9 in the Union Pacific Chicago Northwestern paint scheme. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're eligible, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates, including when I do that giveaway. And if you want to enter that giveaway, I'll put a link in the description below. So now we're on to another episode of the fan favorite Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. I've got 5 more really cool items, so let's go ahead and get started. Our first item is something that's really great for drying things out or holding on to things as you paint them. It's these clothespins that are attached to little hangers, and these are normally typically used for laundry, but we've all had paint covered hands from trying to hold on to small things as we paint them, and this is a great, simple, cheap way to hold on to different things as we're painting them without getting everything a mess. It's these hanger clothespins. Our next item is something that is really great for layout planning. It is a compass and protractor set. We all know that those angles, especially when we're doing paper planning, are really hard to get, and tools like this are something that are a necessity when you are doing that sort of thing, especially when you're dealing with specific radii and all sorts of stuff that are involved in layout planning. It is a compass and a protractor set. Third on our list this week is this little battery-powered LED desk light. Now, I'm not buying this for the workbench. I thought that this would be a great way to bring a little light into the areas where we need light sometimes and we just can't get it, specifically like under the table. And it's battery-powered. You can stick it just about anywhere, and it's got an articulating arm, and I thought it's just a really great way to solve that lighting issue when we're working. It's this battery-powered LED desk lamp. Our fourth item on the list gets into the detailing portion. It's these little craft rivets, and immediately when I saw them, I thought that they would be great rooftop details if they were painted, but they can detail all sorts of things. The cone shape is really difficult to nail down sometimes, so anytime you can get it pre-done, it's fantastic. It's these little craft rivets. Our fifth and final thing are these paper straws, and when I saw these, I immediately thought of drain culverts or large concrete pipes that are being hauled by trains or trucks on your layout. And all they need is a little bit of paint, and you cut them to size, and they are absolutely fantastic. It's these little paper straws from the dollar store. So those are the 5 things that I found on my trip to the dollar store this time. I would love to know what you guys have found at the dollar store for model railroading. Go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!